After a long day of shopping with a friend, what could be more tempting than eating out in a fast food restaurant where you get to choose a quick and tasty meal in a matter of minutes? Most of us can't resist fast foods. They seem to be a good option, and why not? They're convenient and quite inexpensive for today's busy lifestyles. But we should also keep in mind that they are high in calories, saturated fat, sugar and salt. Eating fast food, especially on a regular basis, can lead to a host of different health problems. An ad about a restaurant that sold homemade meals looked quite interesting. We decided to share the experience. Traditional Iranian meals tend to be healthy and nutritious. Most of this excellent food is confined to the kitchen and the family home, so it's quite interesting to see it offered to the customer in a matter of seconds. We can call it fast food already. Kashke bademjan is a very popular dish in Iran, which is basically made from eggplant and dried whey. You know what I like about kashke bademjan?
What?
Like, it's really soft in the mouth, but when you eat it, it's full of flavor.
Yeah, because there is mint in it, fried onion and garlic.
Yeah. But most people don't like the smell of garlic.
Well, we cannot deny its health benefits.
Kufte is another typical dish cooked at home, full of aromatic herbs and spices. Kufte is mainly served with bread, I guess. There's a hard-boiled egg inside.
There's a hard-boiled egg inside. It's from Tabriz.
All the way from Tabriz.
Yeah.
آره، غذای خونگیه. فوق‌العاده خوشمزه، یاد گذشته ها میفته.
دلمه‌های خوشمزه داره، کوکوهای خوشمزه داره. یاد مادر بزرگم واقعا میفته.
I think next time we should try dolma.
We got to have a sneak peek in the kitchen, just to see from up close how these meals are cooked and brought to the restaurant. Dolma is a favorite among Iranians, which is basically cooked grape leaves stuffed with a mixture of rice, meat and herbs. Dolma is one of those foods that really takes a lot of time to make, and it's quite time consuming, but once it's made, I can guarantee it's irresistible. Kufte is known to be originated from Tabriz, northwestern Iran. It's a delicious bowl of meat, cooked rice and herbs with a lot of extra goodies inside. Now, that's the technique that you have to learn. خیلی سخته ها.
چون این اگه اینجوری نکنی ترک می‌خوره.
It's delicious. Still ریختین توش? It's really garlicky.
Not a problem. Just you need a chewing gum.
And that's it.
Yeah.
Mirza Qasemi is a fragrant dish from the northern cities of Iran. A combination of tomatoes, mashed grilled eggplant, and a lot of spices. من شنیدم شمالی‌ها تقریباً همه چیزو با برنج می‌خورن.
Even in their breakfast they have rice.
They have rice for breakfast. That's cool. Traditional Iranian desserts are not prepared at home as often as they used to be. Sohaila Salemi, who's managed this kitchen for some years now, insists to bring them back again.
ما این همه غذاهای خوشمزه سنتی ایرانی داریم که ذائقه نسل جدید، نسل جوان ما اصلا با اینا آشنا نیست.
Restaurants that offer homemade meals are increasingly becoming popular. When good nutritious food is brought to the table in no time, many prefer to have their meal here.
غذای خونگی میخوریم.
فست فود دوست نداریم؟
خیلی کم به ندرت پیش میاد.
هر سه‌شنبه میام اینجا، هر وقت حواسم مکارونه بکنم میذارم بمونه تا روز سه‌شنبه بشه بعدم.
اکثر مشتریای ما که اینجا تشریف میارن مشتریهایی هستن که در واقع خسته شدن از این غذاهایی که بیرون دارن دائم همه جا میبینن و میل میکنن، دنبال یه غذای خاص میگردن، یه غذایی که کمتر میخورن یا غذایی که از توی لیست غذاییشون حذف شده.
So which meal was your favorite? In this restaurant, you get to have your say.
امکان است دانه بادمجون آلبالو پلو با مرغ رو هم سرم.
Anything else to be added?
So next time when you're enjoying your favorite slice of pizza, just keep in mind that there are other options too. Some of them really worth the money. خدا لزگی for Iran.